Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set alarms in the Sleep as Android app. To set alarms, you can simply on this home screen, you will normally see right here, alarms. You can tap on it and create an alarm by tapping here, which will now prompt you to create an alarm. You can set it to whatever time you like. Let's say 7:15. Click on set. You can make it one time, weekly, odd of this week, even of next week, non-weekly, or to happen on every single day of the month. That is to say, like for example, every 5th of every month, every 6th, the 1st of every month. You can set it to happen weekly on specific days. You can modify what happens on the next time it happens. For example, make it so that instead of happening on 7:15 in this case, tomorrow it will, for example, happen 15 minutes earlier, or tapping the plus arrow, it will instead of 7:15 happen at 8 a.m. You can tap here to reset. You can change the start period, which is the period within which the alarm can start before the alarm period, if it detects that you already are in light sleep, to make sure you don't accidentally enter another sleep cycle and potentially feel like you haven't rested at all. It's just a way to make sure you wake up at a natural and proper time. You can use Captcha to potentially just make it so it just makes sure you are aware and awake. For example, you can use simple math, which will just present you with a simple math problem to just make sure you are in the state to think and to wake you up a little bit. You can use a QR or barcode, which will then prompt you to scan a barcode that you have placed somewhere in your house, and many other. Shake it, for example. It will prompt you to just shake your phone around, laugh out loud, so you will have to laugh, and many other options. You can just pick whichever one you like. You can also use WakeUpCheck, which works in the way that it will just give you a notification to confirm that you've woken up within a few minutes of waking up. You can change the period within which it will do so, and the time you have to confirm that you have woken up. If you don't do so, it will just start the alarm again. And you also have gentle wake up, which will start out the alarm at a lower volume and then make it louder as time goes on until it reaches maximum volume, which is very loud most of the time. You can also set bedtime notifications to notify you before so you can get proper sleep time regarding when your alarm is going to sound. So just bedtime notifications, half an hour, 2 hours. You can set your sleep duration, of course, for that to work properly. You can also set the amount of times you can snooze. For example, once, twice, let's say twice. The maximum total snooze time, for example, how long you want to be able to snooze your phone for. Let's say half an hour. and just snooze duration too. To change the duration to which you can set your snoozing. So you tap snooze and the alarm will sound again after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, just whatever you set it to. You can also set the alarm to stop tracking when it sounds, or delete after it rings. This way you can, for example, just not clog up your alarm list with alarms you are planning to use once and then never again. You can also just change the settings of your default alarms. Just change it. There's also a backup alarm which you can set, which will just sound after your normal alarm and you are still sleeping, which is usually intended to be quite loud. You can change the name of your alarm to label them to know which ones for what. And that is it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.